Hello everyone, in this video we would be teaching you to find the equation of a given line. This is the basics of coordinate geometry, and after this tutorial you would be able to find the equation of a line easily. This video of ours is made in a different style. If you like these kind of videos more than the previous ones, then please like, share and subscribe so that we know which videos to make next. So let's get started with the tutorial. Now let me introduce you to the structure of an equation. Every linear equation has the structure of y is equal to mx plus c. In this structure, m represents the gradient of the equation, and the c represents the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where a line crosses the y-axis. So for example, an equation is y equals 2x plus 5. In this, the gradient would be 2 because the number accompanying the x is 2. And the y-intercept would be 5 because that's the integer. Always remember that the number accompanying the x is the gradient and the integer is the y-intercept. Now we would be teaching you to find the equation of a line if they give you any two random points. Firstly, we need to find the gradient. Say the line is this. And the 2 points they have given you is 6, 5 and 3, 2. Firstly, we need to give a number to each of the points, so let me label this point as 1 and this point as 2. This choice is random, you label the points as per your choice. Now we need to give a name to each of the x and y coordinates. So in the point that I have labeled as 1, I will name this as x1 and this as y1. The same way in the point I have labeled as 2, I will name this as x2 and this as y2. Now we just need to put the values in this formula to obtain the answer. The formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and this gives us the gradient. So let me put in the values. We have labeled 5 as y2 and 2 as y1. So we write it as 5 minus 2. Now we put a division symbol and write the following below. We have labeled x2 as 6 and x1 as 3. So we write 6 minus 3. Now just simplify the fraction we obtain. 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 1. So the gradient is 1. So we now know that the number accompanying the x is 1. The next step and final step is to find the y-intercept. What you simply have to do is firstly take any random point that they have given you. For example, let me take 3, 2. Now in this 3 is the x-coordinate and 2 is the y-coordinate. So I need to make y the subject, which is 2. So I write it as 2 is equal to 1x plus c. I wrote 1x because 1 is the gradient we have obtained. Now I replace the x with the x-coordinate. So I rewrite the equation as 2 is equal to 1 into 3 plus c. I simplify this to obtain 2 is equal to 3 plus c. I now have to find the value of c. I take 3 to the other side of the equation and obtain c is equal to 2 minus 3, so c is equal to minus 1. So the y-intercept is minus 1. We have found the gradient and y-intercept of the line, so we just have to write the equation of the line now. Here is how it is done. Write y is equal to then your gradient, which is 1 in this case. Then write x next to it, and after that write the y-intercept, which is minus 1 in this case. So the equation we have obtained is y equals 1x minus 1. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting math videos. We're now working on many new videos on coordinate geometry and trigonometry. However, we won't be able to do it unless you subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to check out our other videos on quadratic equations. If you haven't watched it yet, it will appear at the top right corner of your screen now.